Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you how to create this black and white and color blended image in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, I already added the image, what I would like to use. And of course, I need to duplicate it and go into the edit. I just scrolling down to the color section, and the saturation I move into the left to -100, so I created a black and white image. Then I go into the app section and searching for blend or image blender, I will use this application. There is a blend image, there is an image blender, but I will use the image blender. Here we have so I select the image first. We have two options in the free version. There is a linear and a radial version, radial blending, and also a brush blending if you have a pro version. And in the pro version also have these different type of blend modes. I think I will subscribe for it, and when I have the subscription, I will create another tutorial about it, how is it fully works. But now just keep it in the free version. So first I just have to add the circle where we want. I'm still in this radial. We can change the direction about the blending. I'm just increasing the size a bit and moving to here. And we can also change the strength of the blending. Maybe if I move it to there, yeah, it's even better. And just a bit increasing. I really love this technique when I'm moving to create a really long blending effect, but the strength I'm moving to down, because if I keep it as a strength, you can see this whole black and white image with a small portion. But if I move into the left, just decreasing the strength, that's how we have this really beautiful smooth transition like this. Something like this, 2025, and just click on save. And now the funny thing, as you can see, there is two images are moving together, not together. I mean, this is the blended one, and other the original one. So I can just move into the next page. You can see the blend was done really in this portion. And if I move it back to here, and even we can play a bit with the transition with the transparency, sorry. But I keep it to the 100% now. I just selecting both images and group. In this case, I can move the two images together. In this case, actually, I created only one object from the two images. Can delete this. And this is how I created this very nice transition with this radial blending from black and white to color. I really like this technique. This is really unique, very eye-catching, and we can use it for lots of different projects, but also with a linear we can create a really nice, especially with this technique when we are creating a long blending part and decreasing the strength. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you struggling anything in a Canva or If you want some specific tutorial, I try to reply as soon as possible, or if needed, I will create the tutorial about the request. And please also check my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description where you can find lots of another great tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for AI applications. So if you're interested also in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned before, you can find the link in the description. And in the description, you can find also my new Instagram and TikTok page, where you can find lots of short tutorials about Canva. So please also visit them. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.